everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a good one for you guys. We will be making this absolutely delicious salmon cakes. So easy to make, the flavor is big. But before I show you guys how it's done, if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to thumbs it up and let's get started. Okay guys, take a quick look of all the ingredients. They will be listed down below as well. You will need seasoned panko bread, creole mustard, sriracha sauce, half a lemon, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of chives, and for the seasoning I am using onion powder, garlic powder, seasoned salt, ground black pepper, paprika, and as well as some Old Bay seasoning. And also you will need some butter, and I am using about 2 pounds of salmon. Shall we begin? Let's get started. Okay guys, first thing first, I am going to drizzle a little bit of oil to my salmon. I want the seasoning to stick on there very nicely, so we're going to rub in the oil on both sides. Then we're going to grab our seasoning. I like to mix the seasoning with a fork before I start adding it to my fish. Now I'm going to generously sprinkle the seasoning on the fish, and also I am going to be using my hand to rub that in. Now that I have the salmon nice and well seasoned, now I am going to cook it. To a skillet, I added my butter. Once that is nice and melted, I am going to gently place my salmon in there. Now I'm going to cook the salmon for about 5 minutes per side until the middle is cooked through, because we're going to fully cook it here first, so keep in mind to make sure to cook it through. You can cut them into fillets, smaller fillets if you like, so it can cook faster, but I didn't really have to. Once my 5 minutes is up, I am going to flip it over. To save you guys some time, I went ahead and cooked the last salmon off camera, and I added to this bowl, as you guys can see. Now I am going to be taking a fork or spoon or whatever you have, just mush your salmon just like that. Basically you are shredding the salmon with the spoon. Next, we're going to add our creole mustard. If you don't have this mustard in your pantry, you need to get it now. It's so good. You got to get it yourself to know what I'm talking about. Now I am going to be adding some sriracha sauce or any hot sauce because I want some kick, some spiciness in there. You can add some pepper flakes if you like. I am going to be adding my W sauce as well as some lemon juice. Okay, that lemon juice is going to give it a nice kick. Then I am going to be adding my chives. You can add some green onions if you like. I added my mayo. I ended up adding a little bit more mayo though because it was too dry and it was falling apart. So add a little bit more mayo, which I will leave the actual measurement down below for you guys. And then I am going to be adding my breadcrumbs. Give that a nice mix just like so. If you need to add more breadcrumbs, you can. You just want to make sure it's not too dry in the middle, so be careful about that. Now I'm going to mix everything together. Then I am going to use my hands to make the salmon patties or whatever you want to call it. I went ahead and shredded the salmon a little bit more because it was too thick, okay? But I don't like it when it's extremely ground looking. I don't like that. So yeah. I ended up making about 8 salmon patties. Now I'm going to grab my cast iron. Once it's nice and hot, I am going to drizzle about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in there. Then I am going to place my salmon patties in there. Now you are looking for a nice golden brown on both sides. So this should take you about 3 to 5 minutes. You're not going to cook your salmon. You're just going to, have a nice golden brown crispiness on both sides. And once it's done, this is how it's supposed to look. Okay? Crispy on the outside, nice and soft and juicy on the inside. Now, I went ahead and make a sauce for this salmon cakes. Not that I needed it. I am going to mix some mayonnaise as well as some lemon juice. And also, I am going to be adding some sriracha sauce in there as well. Give that a quick mix and boom, you have your sauce. You know what I think will go so well with this? The type of sauce is the Creole butter sauce. I think it will go so well with this salmon cakes. Next time if I'm making this, I'm definitely going to use the Creole butter sauce for this. Okay, give that a mix, and basically this is a quick, easy sauce for this salmon patty. And this is how easy and quick it is to make your own salmon cakes at home. All right, guys, let's give it a try. Squeeze some lemon in there. This is it right there. So good. So delicious. Wow. You don't need any sauce for this. It's so flavorful, very juicy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.